Hey, I'm Brian from IFA 2018, and this is my hands-on with the new Honor Play. Huawei and Honor really have a lot of these very similar mid-range smartphones like the P20 Lite, the Honor 10, the Honor Play now, and also the Mate 20 Lite. They all come with notch displays, they all have kind of the same camera setup on the back and also very similar internals. But this one of course wants to stand out with a focus on gaming. Where that's most obvious is in the specs. This phone comes with the Kirin 970 with a special GPU turbo mode that should enhance gaming performance over other phones with the same CPU. There's also 6GB of RAM as well as 64GB of internal storage to back up that CPU. The design is also very interesting. There are 3 normal versions of course, one in pink, one in blue and one in black, but there are 2 special editions, a red one and a black one, that are co-designed with Audi, and they have this nice printed circuit board pattern on the back, and the black version especially looks really sharp in my opinion with the red accents around the camera and the red buttons. Speaking of said camera, it's the same one as in the P20 Lite as it looks, but it does apparently record 4K video, which is an advantage over that phone and also an advantage over the new Mate 20 Lite. So this might actually be a reason to get this phone over all of those other mid-range options as well. The display on the front is a little bigger, it's a 6.3-inch 1080p panel, of course with a notch, and it's an LCD, so hiding the notch is not as easy as if it would have been an OLED. As all of the other options that I mentioned before, this phone of course also comes with USB Type-C, a headphone jack, and dual SIM support. Another specialty of this phone is its big battery. It's a 3750 mAh cell that also supports fast charging and should hopefully lead to some long gaming sessions without the phone dying. What should also be very attractive is the price. The normal edition of this phone will cost 329 euros in Europe, with a special edition that is designed by Audi being a little bit more expensive. Maybe that design and the GPU turbo mode are enough to convince you of this phone, though the Honor 10 also only is 319 euros in most places now, so I think the price of this phone has to fall a little bit to make it really worth it, because the Honor 10 definitely has a lot better camera than this phone. And in general, I'm not sure if we really need all of these very similar mid-range phones from Honor and Huawei, but I hope that they have some sort of strategy behind that. Thanks for watching my IFA 2018 content. If you enjoyed this video, you know which buttons to press, and don't forget to press that follow button on Twitter. I'm Brian, and I'll see you in the next one.